In a vibrant, colorful underwater world, where the sun's rays danced with the waves, lived a cheerful clownfish named Pip. Pip was known far and wide for his unparalleled ability to bring laughter and joy to all he met. One day, a terrible storm swept through the coral kingdom, causing destruction and chaos. The once beautiful coral reef was now a tangled mess, covered in debris. Pip, being a small fish, struggled to swim through the chaos. He saw his home, the anemone where he lived, lying crushed under a heavy piece of coral. His heart sank, and he felt a deep sadness he had never known before. In the midst of his despair, Pip met a wise old seahorse named Maris. Maris saw Pip's sorrow and asked, "Why so glum, my young friend? You were always the one who brought laughter and joy to us all." Pip explained his predicament, his crushed home and the loss of his joy. Maris, with a gentle smile, said, "True joy is not found in possessions, but in the choices we make and the love we give." Pip, still saddened, asked, "But what can I do? My home is gone, and I have lost my laughter." Maris replied, "Look around you, Pip. The storm has left our kingdom in ruins, but it has also brought us closer together. We can rebuild, we can heal, and we can find our joy again." Pip realized the wisdom in Maris' words. He rallied the other creatures, and together they worked tirelessly to clean up the coral kingdom. They rebuilt their homes, helped each other heal, and found a new kind of joy in their unity and love for one another. In the end, Pip's laughter returned, not because of a tangible possession, but because of the love and unity he found amidst the chaos. The clownfish and the seahorse, and all the creatures of the coral kingdom, lived happily ever after, knowing that true joy comes from the choices we make and the love we give. The tale of the clownfish and the seahorse serves as a reminder that true joy is not found in material possessions, but in the love and unity we share with others. Even in the face of adversity, we can find joy by choosing to love and to help one another.